Hi everyone, so today we're going to be working on evaluating inverse trig functions. As many of you guys might remember, inverse is when you switch the domain and the range. So it becomes y comma x instead of x comma y as a coordinate point. And when you graph these functions, you're still able to pass the vertical line test. And it's important for you to remember that cosine represents the x values on a unit circle and sine represents the y value on a unit circle. So on your test or quizzes, you might see inverse trig as written as sine to the -1 or arc sine or cosine or arc tangent. The unit circle is very important for this unit because it's going to be your calculator because all the angles and all the coordinate points are located on there. So we're going to start with sine, and what you need to think about is what angle corresponds with the y value that you're given. The range of this angles has to stay between -pi/2 and pi/2. And next, we're going to be looking at cosine. So what you need to be asking yourself is what angle corresponds with this given x value you're given. And your angles have to be within the range of 0 and pi. Last but not least, we're going to be looking at tangent. Tangent is your sine divided by your cosine, and your range is between -pi/2 and pi/2. It might be helpful for you to write out what the inverse tangent on your unit of the importance angle. So your 30, 45, and 60 degrees angle. It might be important if you just go ahead and write the inverse tangent on that.